Good morning, students. Today we will have a new lesson, and the title is The Third Level. It is the first lesson from your supplementary textbook written by Jack Finney. And before we go to the detail, let us compare this lesson with that of the adventure that you have learned in class 11th. Adventure written by Jayant Narlekar. Actually, this story deals with fantasy and reality. And you very well remember the experience of Professor Gatonde, who accidentally bumps into an India which is not like the India he knew. That all of you know it very well. And the two worlds that was existing, and the role of electrons. Okay, the same way here is a lesson, a story, and it deals with two different worlds. One is the real world, the other one is a world of fantasy. So let me introduce the lesson to you. We have a few characters like Charlie, the central character, and his friend Sam. He is a psychiatrist. Okay, so Charlie is a young man of 31 years. He has several times lost himself in the Grand Central Station. He bumps into new doors and new corridors. He even finds himself in a long tunnel that leads him to places he never wanted to go. His psychiatrist friend, Mr. Sam, believes that he has been daydreaming to escape from the unhappiness of his present life. But Charlie does not believe so. He has been to the third level where he can find means to escape into the past. He, however, is never again able to find the third level. He tells his psychiatrist friend Sam about a peaceful small town named Galesburg. The psychiatrist is infected by Charlie's dream. He himself escapes into it. The story is a mixture of reality and fantasy. Logically, no one can travel back into time except in one's imagination. But Sam as well as Charlie have experienced it. Charlie even finds a letter with a postmark dated 18th July 1894 written by Sam after he has been there for 2 weeks. It is hard to believe it to be true. So this is the introduction about the lesson. So the entire story revolves with two characters. One is Charlie, a young man of 31 years old, and his friend Sam. He is a psychiatrist. You know who is a psychiatrist? One who treats mental illness. Okay. So now it is time for us to go through line by line of the text. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. The third level, Jack Finney. Before you read, have you ever heard, have you ever had any curious experience which others find hard to believe? So let us go through the story and learn the experience of what Mr. Charlie had. Okay, I have already given a detailed introduction about the lesson. Now let us go line by line. The president of the New York Central and the New York, New Haven and Hartford railroads will swear on a stack of timetable that there are two there are only two, but I say there are three because I have been on the third level of the Grand Central Station. Yes, I have taken the obvious step. I talked to a psychiatrist friend of mine. Among others, I told him about the third level at Grand Central Station, and he said it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. He said I was unhappy, that made my wife kind of mad, but he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it, and that I just want to escape. Well, who doesn't? Everybody I know wants to escape, but they don't wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station. So, children, this is the first paragraph where Mr. Charlie tells us that there are three levels in that railway platform. It's a central railway platform. Okay, so for people there are only two lines are there, whereas for our friend Charlie, he finds the third one. Okay, when he tells about this third level, his friends, Mr. Sam, the psychiatrist, tells that it is nothing but a waking dream wish fulfillment. It is only a dream. He cannot believe that there is a third level. But who has the experience? Charlie has the experience of entering into the third level of the Grand Central Station. That means he traveled in the past. Just like that Gangadhar Pant finds two different India, the Bombay, we had learned in class 11th. Okay, children? Now, is there any difficult word? Fulfillment means satisfaction. Okay. Psychiatrist, you know, a person who treats mental illness. Okay. And is there any other word? Yeah, insecurity, lack of protection. Insecurity, lack of protection. And the word wander, moving around aimlessly or roam about. Actually, we have come to know that Charlie had an experience of entering in the third level. Actually, it was not existing. But who entered? Charlie entered. When he narrated this matter to his psychiatrist friend, what did he say? He said it was nothing but a waking dream wish fulfillment, and also complained that his friend Charlie, he wanted to escape from the present world. What is the matter with the present world or modern world? It is full of insecurities. It is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it. So everybody wanted to escape, but in the case of Charlie, he claims that it is not a escaping, but he really reached the third level. Okay, children? Now let us go to the next paragraph. But that is the reason, he said, and my friend all agreed. Everything points to it, they claimed. My stamp collecting, for example, that is a temporary refuge from reality. Well, maybe, but my grandfather didn't need any refuge from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful in his time or in his day, from all I hear, and he started my collection. It is a nice collection too, blocks of 4 of but practically every US issue, first day covers and so on. President Roosevelt collected stamp too, you know. So here in the second paragraph, Charlie says his stamp collection is also an example of escaping from the present modern world, according to the psychiatrist friend Mr. Sam. Okay, but actually Actually, our Charlie is interested in stamp collection, just like that of his grandfather. Actually, at the time of grandfather, the world was very peaceful. In spite of that, his grandfather had this hobby of stamp collection. That is what his argument is. Okay, but according to his friend Mr. Sam, the psychiatrist, Charlie is collecting stamps only to escape from the present world. Okay, that is it. And not only stamps, and he used to keep the first day cover. Okay, children, actually first day cover we will discuss in detail. Okay, what is first day cover? That is an envelope postmarked on the first day of its stamps. When a new stamp is introduced, people will paste the new stamp on an envelope and will post. Okay, that is what the first day cover. Okay, now next paragraph. Anyway, here is what happened at Grand Central. One night last summer, I worked late at the office. I was in a hurry to get uptown to my apartment, so I decided to take the subway from Grand Central because it is faster than the bus. Okay, you know what a subway is? Subway is created in big cities and all. You cannot cross the road, so there will be a subway. For example, many of you might have visited Bangalore railway station or Bangalore bus stand. So there is a subway connecting the bus stand to the railway station, so that people do not require to cross the road. Okay, it's like that. There is a subway, and he wanted to reach his house that day after a heavy day of work, and he wanted to resort to the subway. Okay, now I don't know why this should have happened to me. I am just an ordinary guy named Charlie. Now only he is introducing that he is Charlie, 31 years old, I told you, and I was wearing a tan gabardine suit. What is tan? Tan is a color. I hope all of you know what tan is. Yellowish brown. Okay, the difficult word here is tan, color. And it's a suit, dress. He was wearing a gabardine suit and a straw hat with a fancy band, very colorful, you can say, fancy band. I passed a dozen men who looked just like me, and I wasn't trying to escape from anything. I just wanted to get home to Louisa, that is the wife of Charlie, Louisa, his wife. Okay, so actually what is the intention of Charlie? Charlie's intention is to reach his wife quickly, so he resorted to the subway. Okay, he resorted to the subway from Grand Central. And what about his physical appearance? He was wearing a tan gabardine suit and a straw hat and a fancy band. You can see in the picture. A picture is given here. You can see Charlie dressed up, his black coat. Okay, all these things are here. Okay, so people may think that he wanted to escape, but actually he was not. I turned into Grand Central from Vanderbilt Avenue and went down the steps to the first level. There are two levels already. Two platforms are there. The first level where you take trains like the 20th century. When I walked down another flight to the second level where the suburban trains leave from. Suburban means city. The city train. Okay, the suburban trains leave from, ducked into an arched doorway heading for the subway and got lost. And from the second level he got himself lost. That is easy to do. I have been in and out of Grand Central hundreds of times, but I am always bumping into. What do you mean by bumping into? Reach unexpectedly, bumping into new doorsteps and stairs and corridors. Once I got into a tunnel about a mile long and came out in the lobby of the Roosevelt's Hotel. Another time I came up in an office building on 46th Street, 3 blocks away. Okay, so he had got a different experience that day, entering to a different world. Okay, so what did you learn from this last paragraph here? Actually, he just crossed the first level, and there he could find the trains meant for the 20th century. Then he walked down to the another, that is second level, and from there he got lost. And this is not the first time that he is crossing these two levels, but he has reached a different world with many stairs and corridors and many tunnels leading to the lobby to the Roosevelt Hotel. Okay, so children, it is a story that deals with reality and fantasy, and the central characters, one is the Charlie, who is 31 years old, and his psychiatrist friend Mr. Sam. So today we will wind up here, and before we wind up, let us make a recall of what you have already learned. Today we started with two characters, I told you, Mr. Charlie and Sam, and it is all about a third level that Charlie entered in his dream, or it is not a reality actually, it is in the dream. That is what is claimed at the end of the story. And this Grand Central Station has only two levels, but the man reaches the third level. And when this experience was conveyed to the psychiatrist friend, he said it is nothing but a waking dream wish fulfillment. Okay, and also he complained that Charlie wanted to escape from the present world. What is the problem with the present world? It is full of insecurity. People wanted protection, lack of protection, fear, war and worry. And also Sam complains that Charlie's stamp collection is an example for that. But Charlie says his grandfather also collected stamps. Okay, and finally how he enters the third level, that is what explained. And his dress code, all of you remember his dress, wearing tan gabardine suit and straw hat with a fancy band. Okay, so dear children, tomorrow we will continue with the text. Till then, bye.